Hey guys, my name is Mousree and today we will learn how to make this cool car game in Scratch tree. And this is the version Scratch tree. And we can see that this black color is mine, and with the help of two arrow keys, left and right arrows, I'm just like doing this, changing the X, and some cars of multiple colors are passing from there, and we can see that our car speed is also increasing. Now it's too much increased. Oh, so guys, if I touch the touch means touch the this color, what is the color, means this green color, then it will say crashed. And also if I touch any cars, means the regular cars, it also say crushed with some exclamation marks. And guys, if I cross some cars, like if I cross two, yeah, one car in a row, then the score will increase by the each car. So guys, and the tree is just going. So yeah, the speed increases. Yeah guys, I passed 12 cars, 13 cars, 14. Oh man, oh man. So yeah, only 23 cars. Okay, so let's make. I need only four sprites: regular car, my car, sprite 1, and trees. Sprite 1 means these lines in a row we can see. So guys, this is the lines. So let's make lines. So this is the lines, the white lines in the road, and this is the regular car which passes, and this is the regular car, my car, lines, yeah, lines, little lines, you can see, lines, and trees. There are three types of trees. So let's go. In regular car, there are two scripts, and this is the code of the regular car. Let's go to the my car then. In my car, there are only one script, and this is the code of the script, means of my car. Let's go to the lines. Lines means I am look here. Okay, and there in lines there are only one script, and this is the code of the lines. Let's go to the trees. In trees there are two scripts. So let's first one is this. You can also not use as you want, that I'm just doing this. It will be good. Yeah guys, it will be good. So let's just click here. So guys, now this is the first code of the tree, and this is the second, means script. And in backdrops I use this thing. Okay, so you have to adjust with the lines. You have to adjust the background with the lines. Then I adjusted it in middle. So guys, bye bye, take care, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye bye. Yeah.